Hey, didn't want you to think I forgot about you. I was telling you about how I was getting all those emails, so I wanted to kind of get rid of them. So if you click on the side here and go down to settings in here, down below it'll ask you about classes you're enrolled in, and it'll post work and other posts from teachers, return work and grades from your teachers, invitations to join. I turned all of those off, so just click those off and it'll update again. My kids turn in late work all the time, so I just turned off the alerts for late submission because I check them anyways. And then that's about it. And my emails have dropped drastically, so I'm only getting stuff from my class now. So hope that helps. Talk to you soon. Bye.